Welcome to Astrometrica tutorials. Today I'll show you how we can hunt for asteroids using Astrometrica software. So I will start with the step 1, which is downloading Astrometrica. To download the Astrometrica software, we need to search IASC asteroid on Google, and the first link which you'll see will be of International Astronomical Search Collaboration. When we'll click on it, we'll find Astrometrica page, and when we will click on the Astrometrica, we'll find Astrometrica setup. We need to download this setup. It is hardly a 8 MB setup, so it won't take much time. After it get downloaded successfully, we are now switching to step 2, which is installation and configuration setting. Now during installation, we need to take care that the software will decide its own path, and we need to give permission to all the prompts which are asked to us. Now, another thing to take care about is that we need to install the Astrometrica in local disk C. Over here we can see that the destination folder is local disk C and Astrometrica, which is wrong. So I'll manually browse and I'll choose local disk C. Now it is perfectly fine. After it gets installed successfully, I'll tell you how we can change the configuration of software. Over here we can see Astrometrica icon, but don't ever switch on Astrometrica from the desktop when you start your analysis. You always have to go to local disk C, in which you will find Astrometrica folder, or you can directly see Astrometrica application in the local disk C. So we always need to start the Astrometrica from local disk C and not from the desktop icon. Now over here it is shown that this is a fully functional unregistered version of Astrometrica. Therefore, we will be provided with the registration and key from IASC during the participation in campaign. So as of now, I am clicking on the continue. So over here we see an error. I'll show you at the last how to get rid of various errors. We'll come across many more errors, and how we can get rid of all the errors I'll show you in form of a presentation. So far I am just ignoring that error, and I'll just take it at the end. Now this option will be asked to us whenever we'll start the Astrometrica software from local disk C. It says that, do you want to replace the existing MPC report? So we always need to click on yes, because we are starting fresh. Whenever we will start the software from local disk C, we will be starting the fresh. Now we'll switch to the B part of step 2, which is the configuration setting. To change the configuration, on right bottom we'll see astrometrica.cfg. So we need to manually change this configuration to PS1 configuration. PS1 configuration is the suitable configuration of PenSTARRS. PenSTARRS is a telescope which we will be using to analyze, to get the data and to analyze in the Astrometrica software. Therefore, we need to have the suitable configuration to that of the instrument, the telescope which we are using. So to change the configuration, we need to go to settings, open, and we need to manually search for the configuration. So over here we can see astrometrica.cfg. We also have various catalogs and there is nothing in the catalog. So we do not have the configuration in here. So I'll show you from where we can download the configuration as well.